Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today there's a lot going on in this video. I'm going to show you affordable deep conditioners that are under $10. I'm going to show you a demo of how to deep condition, and at the end I have a special surprise. So first things first, here are some affordable deep conditioners that I personally found in Ulta and CVS. First stop, Ulta. Something I look at when I buy a deep conditioner is, does it have silicones, does it have sulfates, and does it have parabens? Next, I always read what the deep conditioner is for. Is it for dry hair? Is it for damaged hair? Is it for chemically damaged hair? And what is it going to do for my hair? Something else I look at when I buy deep conditioner is the size worth the price? That's really important to me because I don't want to spend a lot of money for not a lot of product. Thing I look at is deals. Like this deep conditioner was at Ulta for $9 and it's here for $7. Next, I'll be showing you guys how I deep condition. I think this way is super easy, super simple, and super effective. I start off by raking the deep conditioner into my hair, and I just get it all in there and distribute the product evenly. Next, I smooth the deep conditioner into my hair. This is gonna help me reduce frizz. Then, like Hi Felicia on Instagram, I train my curls while deep conditioning, while twisting them in a little twist, and then I finger coil the end of my hair. Deep conditioning is super important because it adds the extra moisture and hydration that your hair needs, and it just gives your hair a boost of moisture and protein. Next, I just squish all that deep conditioner into my hair. At this point, some people would put a hot cap on, but I don't have one of those, so I just use a microfiber towel. For this deep conditioner, I waited about 20 minutes, rinsed it out, and styled as usual. Okay, so time for the big surprise. I will be giving a very lucky winner a couple of different deep conditioners. First up, we have my personal favorite, Melt Into Moisture by DevaCurl. This is my all-time favorite deep conditioner. I always recommend it. Next, we have the one I used in the video, the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom from Not Your Mother's. I have another Not Your Mother's deep conditioner. I didn't try this one, but since this one worked and since this one was really great, I figured this one would be too. It's the Pearl Protein and Mango Butter. Rescues stretched out and damaged hair. Next, we have the deep conditioner from My Moisture, Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Deep Conditioner. And lastly, a little sample of the Ouidad Intense Hydrating Mask. So, that's 4 full-size deep conditioners, 1 sample deep conditioner, and the scrunchies I use. Now these are the scrunchies that keep my hair intact, keep my hair out the way, and never get tangled in my hair. How to enter. 1, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, you have to like this video, you have to turn my notification bell on, and you have to comment down below done when you finish doing all of that. Now for extra entries, follow me on Instagram, repost a screenshot of this picture and tag me so I can see it. And when I mean repost the video, I mean post it to your Instagram story. This is a US only giveaway, and it's not sponsored by any of these companies at all. This is all me. I got all of this for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're as excited as I am for this giveaway, and I really wish the best of luck to everyone, and I can't wait to see who wins. Don't forget to really like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and don't forget to share this video so everybody gets an opportunity. And I think that's it. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. It's me again. I forgot to mention that the giveaway ends January 20th. Okay, bye.